Hello, everyone. Welcome to VIC Math class. I remain Victor Odigoma here. In today's class, um, I'm going to show you something. Okay, this is a question someone sent to me. Okay, you are going to learn a lot from this class today because in this class, you are going to see how you can be able to calculate an income over given number of years. Let me not talk too much. Let's see what is going on here. Now, someone sent me this problem that says, look at it with me. My salary statement pay is 21,000 naira with quarterly increment of 3,000 naira. Why we look at this? You apply it to your own. You can be able after this calculate your earnings for proper budgeting and expenditure. Okay. So with quarterly increment of 3,000 naira, it says, if I work for 6 years, what will be my salary at the end of the 6th year? What will be what I will be paid? What I will be the boss will be paying me at the end of the 6th year? And what is my cumulative income after 6 years? We just concluded arithmetic progression. And I'm perceiving maybe that's the reason why the person thought if we can use arithmetic progression concept to explain this. Now, this is typical of arithmetic progression because this person has a statement pay of 21,000 naira. So one can say um, that there's a solution. I will not blow too much grammar here. I will go straight to the point. Say this follows arithmetic progression, AP. Okay, so you can see how I'm going to form it now. Follow me. You see, the statement pay, which we discussed in arithmetic progression, is the first term, the first value, the first event, the first occurrence is 21,000. Quarterly, that is every 3 months. Okay, the person received an increment of 3,000 naira. Now, 21,000, the next occurrence, the next term, the next value will be 21,000 plus 3,000, and that will give 24,000, 24,000. After another 3 months, another 3,000 will be added. 24,000 plus 3,000 will give 27,000. Yes, 27,000. After another 3 months, another 3,000 will be added again. That will be 30,000 now. That is what this person is receiving as take home pay. You see, this is a progression. It will continue in that order. So this person's income follows an arithmetic progression. Why? Because the increase is by addition of a constant term, as we explained in AP. Now, what we have now is how can we be able to know what this person will be receiving after 6 years as pay after 6 years. So we want to know how many terms will exist here until we get to that after 6 years. That's the nth term. What number? This is the first one, second, third, fourth. At what point are we going to get to? And we say here is 6 years. All right. Do you realize? Do you realize that? Do you realize that a year has 12 months? Okay, and quarterly means 12/4, which is 3 months. It then means, okay, every 3 months, every 3 months, Okay, there will be increment. Okay, and then after in a year, increment is 4 times. Do you get it there? In a year, there is 4 times increment. Okay, it then means in 6 years, we will have 6 times 4 times increment, and 6 times 4, which will give us 24. Do you understand? So 24 is, that is to say, if this increment continues, the point at which this person is asking us what will be my pay is when we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until you get to term number 24. Now, do you remember what I explained when I was talking about the application of the mathematical expression for calculating the nth term of an arithmetic progression? I gave it. So we will use that now. So we are going to say Tn, that is deploying the mathematical expression for an arithmetic progression. Okay, we say Tn, but Tn is equals to a plus in bracket n minus 1, then the common difference. Of course, all those informations are there, right? A, the first term is, I hope you are seeing this, the first term is 21,000. That's the first value. Then the common difference, that is the addition, letter minus the letter minus the previous, 24,000 minus 21,000. If you check it across here, it will still give you the same value. Okay, so that will give you, the difference is 3,000. That's the increment. Now, what are we looking for? N here is at the point where this is 24. The count is now 24. That's the spot where this person is saying, what will be my pay as at this point after 6 years? Okay, I'm sure the explanation I gave here is very clear. 4 times increment in a year, and in 6 years it will be 6 times 4. That's 24. 24th increment. The 24th increment. What will be happening there? All right. We can put all this information inside this place and get what it is. Then T24 is 21,000. Okay, plus bracket 24 minus 1, then 3,000. This is 21,000 plus, this will be 23 times 3,000. So let me check what 23 times 3,000 is in my calculator. 23 times 3,000 equals to, that's 69,000. So we have 21,000 plus 69,000. That will give us what? This plus 21,000. 1, 2, 3 equals to 90,000. This person's pay, 90, then 3 zeros. This person's pay as at the time 6 years ended is 90,000 naira. This has given us the information. Do we get that? So you can apply this in calculating your own. Okay? All right. Now, this next question the person is asking me is, what is my cumulative income after 6 years? That is, if the person is not touching the money and the person wants to know how I can use this arithmetic progression understanding to explain what have I gathered after 6 years. You know, that is some of an AP, some of an arithmetic progression. You want to sum this, all these pay, all these increments after the nth term being 24. So remember, I gave two mathematical expressions for calculating the sum of an arithmetic progression. I gave 1 to be Sn equals to n over 2 in bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1, then the common difference. I gave this. We have explained all this in detail in our classes in arithmetic progression. If you are not looked at them, you can possibly go and check out that. All right. So here n is 24 over 2 into 2 times first term 21,000. Okay, plus in bracket 24 minus 1, 3,000 here. Okay, right. So this is 12 into 21,000 times 2 give us 42,000. 42,000 plus this is 23 times 23 times 23 times 3,000. I think I have done that calculation previously. What did he give me? 23 times this gave me 69,000. So this is 69,000. 69,000 plus 42,000. Okay. So then in bracket 12. Okay. Just a minute. Let me tidy it up over here first. Let me clean it and finish it up. Just a minute. All right. So are you there with me? So the some of these persons take home pay at the 24th increment, that's 24, is 12 multiplying. What is 42,000 plus 69,000? 42, 1, 2, 3 plus 69, 1, 2, 3 equals to, that is 111,000. 12 times 111,000. 111,000 times 12 equals to 1,332,332,000. This is what this person will take home after the 24th increment, which is after 6 years. This is what this person can you look at this very well and also check it out over here. Okay, look at it. That's what the person. Now you can also apply it, like I said, to your own income and see how you can use this to explain what is going on around you and take some decisions and do some things. Another thing, do you know if there's another second expression I gave, which is Sn equals to n over 2 into a plus l. That is to say, if you know the last term and the first term, you can use this short expression to also do the calculation. Let's check it out. 24 over 2 into first term 21,000 plus 90,000, which is the last pay. We have done that calculation. We were able to get it. The last pay to be 90,000. Okay. We check out. Oh, like 21,000 plus 90,000. 21, 1, 2, 3 plus 90, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 90,000. 21 plus 1, okay, equals to, that is, so we have 12 into 111,000, 111,000. Okay, all right. You can see that it still brings us back here, which is equals to 1,332,000. Friends, you can use this to do some calculation around your income. Okay, assuming out there you don't like this stuff, you don't like doing too much arithmetic like this, you want something that you can do fast in a laptop, With this, I can show you how to, you can, in Microsoft Excel, you can put this first value. You can put this first value, this, enter it in face. I'm going to do a video that will show you how to, you can use Microsoft Excel and do this. Just in a click, it will drop down this data, that progression, and then at the end of the day you can accumulate it, and then to give you that figure. All right, so thank you for being part of this class. I'm sure this discussion is very, very, beneficial to you. I'm trusting God for that. I remain Victor Odigoma here. Please like this video, share it to your friends out there. Let help them. Okay. All right. And then subscribe to our channel because we have more to deliver. All right.